Welcome to YXLON. Welcome to the UX20. My name is Dominik Martinsen, and in this video I would like to give you an introduction into the CT capabilities of the UX20. The first two videos of this sequence gave you a general overview of the system and focused then on the DR capabilities of the UX20. Today we want to carry out our first CT scan together. Then we will use YXLON's intuitive user interface, Gemini, to optimize the scan parameters in order to obtain the best results. So, let's get into it. After switching on X-ray, you see the X-ray image. However, the histogram indicates the image is too dark. You find the gray values at the left side. Ideally, the gray values should be located between the two vertical green lines. A quick gray value scaling makes the image lighter, but the histogram remains unchanged. Move the part towards the X-ray tube to obtain a higher magnification. When rotating the part, make sure the image of the part remains within the frame. Otherwise, you could get artifacts due to a loss of information. Open the Detector tab and activate the Expert settings. In this case, the selected mode is 1536 by 1536 pixels and the detector frequency or frame rate up to 15 Hz. To change the gray values of the image, move the frame rate slider left and right, until most of the gray values are located between the two green vertical lines. Gemini shows the effect of the setting almost in real time. 3.5 Hz seems to be a good value. Check the image by a quick gray value scaling. Since the detector settings have been changed, you'd need to carry out a new detector calibration. Open the Detector Calibration tab and click on New. The default value is confirmed here. Now Gemini asks to move the part out of the X-ray beam. Just move it to the right and confirm. The calibration itself is carried out automatically. Gemini acquires offset images and switches on X-ray to acquire the gain images. The calibration data for every detector pixel is calculated. Finally, the part moves back into its original position and the calibration is finished. By opening the tab with the operators, you can choose the CT mode and the reconstruction by either double-click or drag and drop. In this case, we choose Quick Circular CT Scan and the Sera reconstruction. You can choose the number of projections, that is the number of single X-ray images. Here it is now changed to 720. The default values of the Sera reconstruction lead in most cases to good results, so you can leave them. You can choose the results being opened in VG Studio automatically. Finally, save the inspection sequence. That's it. The play button starts the CT scan. While the part is rotating by 360 degrees, Gemini acquires 720 X-ray images. After the scan has finished, X-rays are switched off, the part moves back into the loading position and the door opens. the reconstruction starts automatically and the results are shown directly in VG Studio. The 3-jaw chuck sample holder made of composite material allows an easy and fast loading of another part. After closing the door, switch on X-rays. You see the part with some porosities. You could carry out a scan in this position since the detector is big enough to cover the complete part. However, now you may want to work with a higher magnification. To accomplish this, move the part towards the X-ray tube. Now the image of the part is too big for a standard CT scan. No problem. With the Scan Extend operator, you can carry out a CT scan with horizontal and/or vertical scan field extension. This technique allows you to scan big parts or to use a higher geometric magnification. We increase the number of projections to 720 to improve the image quality of the scan. Then start the Scan Extend visit by clicking the first icon and choose the horizontal extension with an object shift. After this selection, the part moves automatically to the left. In this position, confirm the part remains within the right and bottom edge of the frame, regardless of angles. Click the next icon of the visit to ensure that the part does not stick out to the top and to the right. So move the part down and check all angles. The third icon terminates the visit and Gemini is now calculating the details of the scan. Setting up a CT scan with scan field extension is nearly effortless and saves valuable time. Now you have seen how easy and intuitive it is to do CT inspections with the UX20. YXLON's universal X-ray and CT inspection system, ideally suited for medium to large cast parts. The system offers different CT modes like quick scan or quality scan, as well as horizontal and vertical scan field extension. It also offers performance measurement according to VDI VDE 2631.3. This we demonstrate in a different UX20 video on our website. You would like to know more? No problem. Just contact us via the contact form on our website. We're looking forward to give you a live demo, either online or at our demo labs around the world.